Just so you know, I do use an I do use an alcohol on this, and I use my clothes to wipe it after putting alcohol in it. And this is day 5 of. Oh wait. So this is day 5 of improving my articulation using a pencil. The, the clever detective discovered distinct footprints beside the dark, battered cabinet. Clues pointed directly to a bold culprit who packed a black bag with precious documents. The bitter clerk panicked publicly, predicting total catastrophe for the bank's production department. David conducted a tactical debate, contentiously arguing that dynamic technology could protect critical corporate property. Patrick carefully locked the crooked basement door, preventing packed crowds from blocking the cluttered corridor. Bit by bit, the determined team calculated the precise deficit caused by bad bookkeeping tactics.